of injustice. Here is some more invaluable information for U.S. citizens. The legal system is merely a business whose commodity are human beings. This system includes police, investigators, attorneys, judges, state and DOC employees, politicians, etc. Since they use humans for a commodity, they have formed legalized human trafficking. The guise is to uphold the law and keep communities safe, but their actions speak otherwise. The proof is in the overcharging of crimes and oversentencing for said crimes, all of this with minimal proof. For example, circumstantial evidence. Circumstantial evidence is a theory. Circumstantial evidence is created for manipulation and is purposefully misconstrued to make a person appear guilty of something. Circumstantial evidence has never been used to prove someone innocent. Innocent people go to jail and prison from the use of these theories. As I have pointed out before, the entire legal system lies with impunity to include circumstantial evidence. Take my case for example. There was no hard evidence to support the prosecutor's theories. Everything was circumstantial and manipulated. Here I sit in prison, innocent of all charges. The prosecutor threw 3 different theories at the wall of jurors to see if any of them would stick as to my involvement. When one theory was life insurance, I asked my attorney, Karen Halverson, why she did not address the fact that I didn't know about 2 of the 3 policies. And her response was, that didn't matter. The only thing that matters is that there were some. But then this is my same attorney that would go over to the prosecutor's table and kick it with the prosecutor and investigators during courtroom breaks. Just look at these words in Webster's dictionary and a law dictionary. Circumstantial. Circumstantial evidence, incidental interference, and direct evidence. Webster's. Circumstantial, pertinent but not essential, incidental occurring merely by chance or without intention or calculation. Circumstantial evidence tends to prove a fact by providing other events or circumstances for inference of the occurrence of the fact at issue. Inference is the act or process of inferring. In the law dictionary, circumstantial evidence from which fact is reasonably inferred, like opinion or presumption, implication, actual bias, conclusive presumption, or implied malice. Although not directly proven, it is introduced when direct evidence is not available. Direct evidence, proof which expressly or straightforwardly proves the existence of fact, opposite of circumstantial evidence. By definition, circumstantial evidence should not be legal. It is only legal by the system standards. This makes for games between prosecutors and attorneys. Courtroom deals are made all of the time between typically trading up cases for a win. As clients of attorneys, we are never told about when or if a deal has been made. In fact, when you hire an attorney, their goal and your goal are not the same. You are really hiring them to play a game. Their game playing in your favor are completely dependent on your ability to pay. My trial attorney confirmed that cases were like chess games. You are the pawn. As everyday citizens, we are never made aware of any of this and take an attorney at their word. Here is some sound advice. Do not ever assume that the attorney has your best interest at heart. In some countries in Europe, circumstantial evidence is not permitted. If there is no direct evidence, there is no arrest or trial. If that was the case in the USA, I would not be in prison for something that I did not do. This would also alleviate people punishing someone that has made them angry or hurt their feelings. By spoofing, you can create or manipulate emails, phone calls, and text messages. A professional opinion or feeling can be classified as circumstantial evidence too. A picture can be altered on a computer. All of these things are used on a regular basis. If you ever serve on a jury, please be aware of the word games between prosecutor and attorney. Thank you for listening.